Hello guys, welcome to my unboxing of FairyLoot, December's box. Even though it's January, for some reason mine ended up getting lost or something, so I just got it now. But I figured, why not? Let's do an unboxing. So on the front of the box, it's got the fairy, and it says, "My book's my treasure." And when we open it up, we have this beautiful butterflies in here. It's really pretty. Black vines. And this is what we got when we look in. So, the first thing in the box is this beautiful card. And it's the spoiler card, so I'm not going to read it. December spoiler card, Defying the Odds. We'll read that last. We got some purple jiggamajiggies. So the first thing in the box are these. Calfia Socks, The Wrath and the Dawn by Renee Hadid. So you got these long, black, tipped with red and yellow designs. These are cute. I'll definitely wear these. I love socks. Keep my feetsies warm, especially during the winter. Ooh, the next thing in the back is this. Interesting. This is a black tea with orange pieces. That is cool. With the dragon on that. Absolutely like that. There's a lot of tea in here. It's a pretty big bag. It says, let me see. I don't know if it tells you how many pots or cups it makes. It doesn't, but it's pretty heavy, so you get a lot in there. The next thing in the box is this here. It says Fire Queen pin. Oh, that's cute. I believe it says Fire, I can't make, Bitch Queen. Okay. Like her face is the words. It's pretty interesting. Let me see. If you guys can see, this is her hair, her ear, that's her face, and that's where the words are, and the fire down there. It's pretty cool, actually. I'm not gonna lie. Go check that out. Okay, the next thing in the box on the side is, we always get some tarot cards that are made just for this box. And this time we got the Knight of Cups, which is this guy here. And then we got the Page of Cups, which is pretty cool looking too as well, to add to our collection. The next thing in there is this here. Here be lions. Here be lions. It's black leather. Like it. Pierce brown golden sun. And zipper on top. So you can utilize this for, you know, anything, I'm assuming. You can put your crystals, makeups, nice carrying sturdy bag. I like this. Pretty cool. Do like that. Okay. The next thing in the box is this here. Really cute stickers or magnets. Oh, they're bookmarks. Magnetic bookmarks. Now that is cool. So that's you get 3 magnetic bookmarks, which I like. Awesome. I'll definitely use these. Next thing in the box is this here. it's a cute, maybe a washcloth, maybe. It's very beautiful. Love it. My favorite game is called How Many Chapters Can I Read in One Night? Now that is awesome. It's very pretty. Black and the pink flowers and the pink writing. That is absolutely gorgeous. Actually, there's a lot of detail in this. Absolutely stunning. Wow. That is gorgeous. Or, you know, if you don't want to use it, you can even use it as like a little altar cloth if you wanted to, I'm sure. It's very cool. And in the back, it's white, but it's very soft. Okay. Big book in here. Wow. Very big book. Wicked as You Wish. Now that sounds awesome. 100 Names for Magic, Book 1. Ooh. Best-selling author of The Bone Witch. That is cool. That's the front. This is kind of what it looks like inside. This is the back. The side of it. Pretty awesome, actually. This sounds like my kind of book. So we got that. Let me see if I put this on the side for now. And there's a couple items in here yet. Game of Pencils. Green, red, black, and gray, it looks like. With black erasers. And they have writings on them. This one says Fire and Blood. The red one says Hear Me Roar. The green one says Growing Strong. And then this one says Winter is Coming. So that's pretty interesting. So we got that. And then we have this here, which is the last item in the box. And it's our beautiful fairy canvas bag, which comes with all the books. Actually, I get 2 books in this one. Another book in here. Let's see. Wicked as You Wish. And it's like a little intro. And then, what else is in here? We have a bookmark. And this is the back. It says Defying the Odds. Then there is Wicked as You Wish. It looks like an autograph. And we have this artwork. And it has like a little information for us to read. And in the back, oops guys, excuse me, I'm always dropping things, is 8 Will Fall. And through, though I have fallen, darkness will rise. This is what we got. It's a hardcover book. Red inside. Usually signed by the author. It is. The book is always signed by the author, which is another awesome thing. And it's a pretty thick book. So that is our December's box. So I just want to go over real quick. And this, so we got this and this. This. Everything's falling at me, of course. Why not? Alright, so we got that. This here. I'll grab this information sheet. And the bookmark all came out of the bag. So I'm going to stick that back in there. Like so. And read the information, which I think I might have put in here on accident. Maybe I did. Yes, I did. Alright. Define the odds. December 2019 spoiler card. One game we'll always like to play is how many chapters we can read in one night. We're so excited to include this exclusive, bookish microfiber cloth. The beautiful design has been created by the amazing blah blah blah. So it's a cloth you can use for anything. There is one character that has defied all the odds more than any other. We hope you love this sassy, exclusive fire-breathing queen pin, designed by the talented bookmarked tattoos, inspiring the heroine Eileen from Throne of Glass series. Winter is already here. We had to include a pair of exclusive bookish shots from the Wrath of Dawn series. And for this book, we simply had to include an item inspired by Red Rising series Pierce Brown, which is the pouch. So we got, this was that beautiful cloth they were talking about, which I love. The game of pencils. It's colors and mottos from the House of Game of Thrones. The magnetic bookmarkers are designed exclusively for Fairclay by Pigeon Princess. Oh, we're also happy to feature the second book of this month's box is highly anticipated advanced reading copy of Wicked As You Wish. This book is due to be published in March 2020. An edition has a stunning exclusive cover, comes with a signed bookplate. So that was what's in here. And don't forget the bookish tea. So this was the bag they were talking about. And then the beautiful tea. The pencils. The Wicked As You Wish book. So that is his name. So this is not signed because it's not due out yet. So we're going to be reading this first before it's even goes out, which is awesome. Which is before it's even published to the public. I believe, yes, that is his autograph for this awesome book. So then you can put the sticker on and you have the autographed signed copy as well. So you got 2 books this month. You got a lot of stuff. I absolutely say December's box was worth the wait. And I look forward to January's box. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing of FairyLoot. Until next month. Bye-bye, guys.